If you're looking for a solid team communication tool, you've probably heard of Slack, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes Slack tick and whether it's the right fit for your team dynamics. Slack is fundamentally a messaging platform designed for teams. It offers channels for organized conversations, direct messaging for one-on-one chats, and integrations with a multitude of other apps, making it quite versatile. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, which is a plus for new users. You can easily share files, collaborate on documents, and even set up video calls within the app. However, while the core functionalities are robust, there are areas that might leave users wanting more clarity. For example, the free version has limitations on message history and app integrations, which could be frustrating for teams that are just starting out. Also, the sheer number of features available might be overwhelming for smaller teams or those who prefer a more straightforward tool. Overall, Slack's strengths lie in its flexibility and integration capabilities, but it might not be the easiest for everyone to navigate right away. When it comes to pros, Slack excels in creating a centralized communication hub. The ability to integrate with numerous tools like Google Drive and Trello is a game changer for productivity. Plus, its search functionality is quite powerful, allowing users to quickly find past conversations and important documents. On the flip side, there are some notable cons. The free version can feel quite limiting, especially for larger teams. You might find yourself needing to upgrade to access features that should ideally be standard. Additionally, some users report that notifications can become overwhelming, leading to a chaotic experience if not managed properly. Ultimately, while Slack is great for tech-savvy teams, those looking for a more straightforward communication solution might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Slack is a solid choice for teams that thrive on collaboration and need a flexible communication tool. However, if you're a small team or someone who prefers simplicity, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it's worth trying out to see if it fits your workflow, but keep your expectations in check regarding the free tier.